This is exactly how I prompt AI to build features for my apps. I have no code knowledge and there is no code knowledge required. So I'm using Cursor, which is VS Code Fork. This is something that is an IDE or a development environment. And I don't come to Cursor with like technical details. I start with the problem that I have. Something like I want the button that animates into a card when I tap on it. So instead of asking for create the code for Swift UI animation with spring dampening values, I would say something roughly along the line of create like a Swift button that expands into a model. You can think of it as the App Store today's tabs and so on. So I use visual metaphor and product references, which are not precise, but it's inspired. So that lets the AI fill in the blanks without me needing to know like the syntax and so on. So then I look at the result and I don't just accept it at fair values. I go over, I test it out, and I might ask follow-up questions like, why is the animation buggy? Or can we rewrite it to be a bit more smooth or have a flip or something? I don't know. And so it's more iterative than anything else, something like this visual which works for a designer. So this workflow got me from never coded before to have two full working apps, one in the App Store and one in the Play Store, which are the same apps, but in two different Play Stores. Play Stores, App Stores, things, you get it. And so the key for me is reference-based ask and directives. So I don't describe the code, I'm describing the experience that I want the user to have. So if you want like the full breakdown of my prompting styles, maybe drop a comment. I don't know. I'll probably do something, but we'll see. Anyways, bye.